Infinix just announced the Infinix Hot S4, which I have in my hand right now. It's the successor to the Infinix Hot S3, and right off the bat, what stands out to me is the design, specifically that water drop notch area. Hey guys, it's Fisayo here, and this is my first impressions of the Infinix Hot S4. And without further ado, let's get to the video. The Infinix Hot S4 is one of Infinix's devices to have many firsts for a while. It's the first device to have a water drop notch from Infinix, and again it's the first Infinix device to have a triple camera setup on the back. It's also one of the first Infinix devices to ship with Android 9 right out of the box. Another Android 9 device that was announced alongside this was the Infinix Hot 7 Pro. And these are all very cool, but what does this even mean for Infinix? Well, we'll get to that later. The device has a 6.2-inch Full HD display, which is 720 by 1520p with a water drop notch and a 2.5D glass, which makes the Hot S4 actually stand out among the other Infinix devices. Inside that water drop notch is where we have the 32 megapixel front camera sensor and this red sensor which looks like a notification LED or the sensor for Face ID. Either way, we'll find out in my unboxing video, which comes out very soon, so please subscribe to see that. On the left side, we have the dual SIM and the SD card slot, which takes up to 128 gigabytes. It's not a hybrid SIM, so it's better if you want to maximize your options. On the right side, we've got the power button and volume rockers, nothing on the top, and on the bottom, as usual, is where we have the speaker grills, USB port, microphone, and headphone jack. On the back though, we've got the 3 camera setup, an 8 megapixel camera depth sensor, 13 megapixel f2.0 camera, and a 2 megapixel f2.0 wide angle camera, which Infinix says is 120 degrees wide. Beneath all the cameras is the quad LED flash, fingerprint reader, and Infinix branding. You've got 3 color options on the S4, the Nebula Blue, which I have right here, and it has this crystal-like design to it, and then there's a similarly designed purple and black variant. Using the Hot S4 for the short time I had with it, it felt quite handy and not too slippery, especially with the help of the camera bump. It feels snappy when holding it, and Infinix's XOS has improved with features I'll be talking about in my unboxing video. And also, for those who want to know, you can hide the notch, but don't do that, it's just going to look very awkward. I didn't spend as much time as I would love with the Infinix Hot S4, so I didn't get to use the cameras a lot. I'll be testing that in my unboxing video. And Infinix Hot S4 comes with a 4000 mAh battery that supports fast charging, but so did the Infinix Hot S3. However, the Infinix Hot S4 isn't running a Snapdragon processor like its predecessor, but a MediaTek Helio P22 processor clocked at 2 GHz to overpower the 32 megapixel cameras. You've got a 3 GB RAM and a 32 GB storage variant, which goes for 49,000 Naira, or 50,000 Naira for short, and the 60 GB RAM version and 64 GB storage version for 64,500 Naira. A lot of people have asked for something different from Infinix, and I guess this is it, but what do you guys think? Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing for more videos coming forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.